So, the Pixel 10 series is quickly becoming one of the most hyped smartphone launches of the year. And now, things just got a whole lot more intense. Google hasn't officially confirmed anything yet, but the leaks, they're flooding in. And now we may be staring at our first real-world images of the Pixel 10 Pro, yes, actual hands-on photos, not renders. Here's what went down. A listing appeared on China's Xianyu auction site, basically their version of eBay, and it featured a Pixel 10 Pro motherboard. But here's where it gets wild. The seller didn't just upload a photo of the part. They included multiple images of the entire phone, front and back. According to the listing, the device and motherboard are early engineering units, specifically part of the EVT, Engineering Validation Test, a critical stage in hardware testing, where rough prototypes start taking shape. But here's the dead giveaway. This is the real thing, that back cover. The phone has a strange geometric pattern that immediately caught the attention of Pixel fans. They use these bizarre designs on prototype devices to identify them during internal testing and to discourage leaks. Ironically, that same design is now what's helping confirm this leak is legit. One of the images shows the phone in fast boot mode, and just beneath the camera bar, there's a sticker labeled DVT, short for Design Validation Test. That's the next step beyond EVT, and further evidence this isn't a fake or clone, it's a real prototype, likely straight from Google's labs. Design-wise, the device lines up perfectly with earlier leaked renders. No major surprises there. It's got the familiar Pixel silhouette, including the bold horizontal camera bar. But look closer and you'll spot a periscope-style telephoto lens, which fits previous rumors that the Pro model is sticking with its premium zoom setup. Now let's get into the performance side of things. The Pixel 10 lineup is expected to be powered by the all-new Tensor G5 chip, and here's the big twist for the first time ever. It's reportedly being built by TSMC, not Samsung. That could mean significant upgrades in efficiency, thermal control, and overall performance, something users have been begging for since the original Tensor dropped. What are your thoughts on this leak? Are you hyped for the Pixel 10? Drop your take in the comments, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.